everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Heidi here with RV Roadway out of Opelika, Alabama, and I have a question for you. Are you in the market for a new RV? It's happening now at RV Roadway of Opelika is the end of the year Lucky number 7 Blowout RV Sale, where every unit that ends in the price 777 has the lowest price of the whole entire year, priced ready to roll into your driveway. There is a no-haggle blowout price on all units that are ending in 777. You can visit our website at rvroadway.com, and you can visit all of our inventory that ranges from Forest River, Alpha Wolf, Arctic Wolf, to Ember RV, to Keystone Cougar, Montana, Springdale, and so much more. Whether you're in the market for a couples coach, if you're looking for a small SUV towable, or if you're looking for a big old fifth wheel, here at RV Roadway of Opelika, we have every RV for every family's needs. And just remember, it's your last chance to get brand new units for a used price. With any questions or concerns that you might have regarding our Lucky number 7 RV Blowout Sale, you can go to our website at rvroadway.com and learn more information, or you could give us a call or text us at 334-748-9028. It's time for you and your family to take life on the road, and we'll see you soon.